Is it worth it? That's where we're back here in Frederick to take a look at with my out-of-town buyers. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, all brick as you can see, with a 1-car garage, and they are asking $525. Let's go see. Is it worth it? Walk into the living room. Got a big bay window. Beautiful wood stove, dining room. Look how pretty this kitchen is. Definitely been updated from the original. And it's got a great view out back. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. And also a sliding glass door out back. I think this used to be a 2-car garage, but they finished part of this space off into kind of a 3-season room. It is very chilly in here right now, but I don't think there's heat out here. And then here is the actual garage. A lot of good space, door to go out back, plenty of room for a car, and space to open the door. Clients are still checking out the rest of the bedrooms, so we'll head down first. And let's see here. So we got LVP, wood fireplace, huge TV up there. I'm not sure what that is in the corner there, but probably a sump pump, if I had to take a guess. And down in here, got a whole nother space here. Walkout basement. Ooh, that door has seen better days. Chip and peeling. But they do have one of the ductless units down here. So this would make a great bedroom. Let's see what kind of storage we have in here. Oh goodness, full bath, kind of. So we got a huge bathtub. Is there a shower over here? No. No shower over here, just storage under the steps. And what else do we have in here? There's a sump pump. Water lines. Yep. And over here, washer and dryer room, more storage. And unfinished storage. Here's all your well filtration. So we have the softener, the water heater, the neutralizer, the pressure tank. The water heater is from January 21, manufacture date. Panels have been updated a little bit, nothing crazy. And just a little workshop in here. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. The basement's pretty cool. Now let's go finish checking out these bedrooms. And we got a full bath in the hall here. Big niche for all of the shower stuff. Just across the hall. Bedroom 1. Looks like we got some built-ins. Bedroom 2. Wow, this is a great size room. Updated windows. Good size closet. And the master. With a walk-in closet, which is very rare for this age of home. And a full bathroom in the master. It has a built-in bench, tile all the way around. Now that you've seen the whole house, what do you think? Is it worth it?